TeamViewer is the tech support tool we use to access a customer's computer and fix problems. To do this, it first needs to be downloaded and installed onto your computer. TeamViewer is free to download, and you don't need to sign up for an account because we have one. To use Firefox to download TeamViewer, run the Firefox browser. In the address bar, type TeamViewer.com. Click the Download for Free button. It changes to another screen. And you don't need to fill anything out here. In the dialog that pops up, you want to click Save File. And then notice that this circle up here in the upper right-hand corner is showing the progress of the download. Click the circle. Now double-click the TeamViewer Setup program. Click the Run button. On the first page, you want to select Install and set up unattended access to this device. Click Accept. It installs the software. On the final page, you want to select I want to use a free version for personal use, then click the Finish button. And the TeamViewer program automatically runs for the first time. But in the future, when you need to run it, you can just double-click the shortcut it placed on your desktop. Notice that when it ran, it opened a dialog box here. We can just click Cancel. When you run TeamViewer, it shows this screen. In order to access your computer, you will need to give us the ID and password under the section entitled Allow Remote Control. We will then connect to your computer and fix your problem.